How to buy Ansem token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any new project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. So this token is available on MEXC to buy it. Now, how to buy this token on MEXC? Now go and open your MEXC account like that. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account in MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your token your account with some USDT. Now after that, what you need to do, in the search bar, type the token name. In this case it will be Ansem, and now you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. Wait a few seconds to be able to see this page. Now this token, it's available in MEXC, as you can see, to be able to trade this. Now how to buy this token? Now click on buy, of course. Now click on limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy of that token, as you can see. So here you will be able to see how much will be paid of the USDT on your account, and click on buy Ansem. If you select the markets, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. Now click on buy Ansem. So this is how to buy Ansem token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.